How to add another account on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add another account in your Instagram. So the very first step is to launch your Instagram account. Make sure you have installed and logged into your account and install the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. After that, you will see the home page like this. Now what you need to do is tap on your profile, which is on the down right side on the bar icon at the down side. After going on your profile, what you need to do is tap on the three vertical lines on the top right side. And now tap on Account Center, tap on your profiles. Now you'll see the option of Add Account. When you tap on this, it's give you the option of Add Instagram account or Add Facebook account. We need to add Instagram account, so just tap on this right here. Tap on Continue option. And now it shows you many options right here. You can simply choose them or continue to add a very new account that you have not logged into your device from now. So that's how you can add account to your Instagram account, multiple accounts on your Instagram. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Also comment on the comment section below. Thank you.